Several of you asked, what's in my first aid kit for campery? Keep watching. Hi everyone, it's Audra with Pathfinder Strong, and today I'm going to talk about what's in my first aid kit, or tub for that matter. Some of you may have seen my other video where you saw that I'm making small first aid kits for each adult to carry around in their backpack, but we do have this big first aid tub with all the important things, anything your heart could desire. I'm going to show you what's in here, and if you think of something that should be in here that I didn't think of, please let me know, because I mean, let's fix it while we can, right? Okay, first off we have ice packs, hot and cold ice packs. I think this is one as well. So these are those ones you just throw in the freezer or whatever. We will have a refrigerator freezer combo with us at Campery, so that's where those will go once we get there. Of course, we have gloves. We also have a blood pressure cuff and stethoscope. Now, you may be thinking, I don't know how to use that. If you don't, buy one of those electric ones where you just strap it on and push the button. We have nurses in our club that know how to do this, so that's why we have this. We've got a neck brace and one of those doodads that if you need to do CPR, you put it over their mouth so it's like a barrier or something. We also have sunscreen. Something random that you may be like, huh? But this is reflective vests. You never know when you're gonna be like stranded on the side of the road in the middle of the night or whatever, so we have those just in case. We also have trash bags in case of something. Okay, next we have like a whole lot of different kinds of band-aids and bandages, gauze pads, wound dressing, more band-aids, and more gauze dressings. Where can you get that stuff? Walmart. Here's some more gauze and some alcohol swabs. All that stuff you can get at Walmart, Walgreens. Okay, next we have this tackle box. This is full of all the little things. This is a great little doodad to hold all the little things. So we have antibiotic, hydrocortisone, burn cream, nasal decongestant, Germ-X. This is like a little kit for snake bites. Sanitizing things, small needles for digging out splinters, thermometer, tape, medical tape, a finger splint, tweezers, and then this is more like wound things. So we've got scissors, ace bandage wraps, this is Septisol foam, other like bandaging type deals. I don't know what this is. Oh, clothes, shears. Like if we have a real bad wound, that's what that little bottom part is. Okay, we've got Q-tips for dispensing ointment. So like if a whole lot of people are using the same tube of ointment, like you squirt out a little bit on a Q-tip and give it to them to put onto their whatever. Okay, this is cough drops, allergy medicine, Tylenol, ibuprofen, and this one always comes in handy. It's just nasal spray. Like it's just saline water, but especially since we're gonna be in Gillette where it's super dry, you're gonna get a lot of nosebleeds. And this is great for nosebleeds or people with dry noses. And you'll see I've got 2 of those in here already. I also remembered, you see this little blue thing? This is sling. Like, you know, a sling for your arm. You never know, you might need that on the way. Like, of course we would take a kid to a hospital if they needed a sling, but it might be in handy like to stabilize something while you're going to the hospital. Okay, in me explaining all this, I'm sure you've already thought of 20 things that should be in here that I didn't think of. So please, in the comments, ready, set, go. What needs to be in my first aid kit tub that I forgot? Let me know so that we can fix it now and not get to Gillette and be in a bind. Hope to see you there. What are we at? 36 days?